The quick selection tool allows you to quickly and easily select one area or section of an image. Click near your selection, click near what you want to select, drag the quick selection field around it and apply the tool just like how you would use a brush tool. Quick selection tool goes beyond the limits of magic wand tool by looking for similar textures in the image, which makes it great at detecting the edges of the objects that you are selecting. Drag over your selection as you select and adjust your brush size by pressing the brackets in the keyboard. You can adjust the brush size using the tools option as well. Add or subtract from your selection with the options in the options bar. If you look in the options bar, you will see three icons which let us switch between the tools' three selection modes. They are New Selection, Add to Selection, and Subtract from Selection. The quick selection tool analyzes the area where the brush is applied, comparing the color, tone, and texture almost precisely. Photoshop has many blend modes in the layer panel. You can use these blend modes to change the look of one or more layers in your image. Blend modes can lighten, darken, increase the saturation of your image, and do many more things. Mouse over different blend modes to see how the layers interact with each other before choosing the blend mode that you like the most. The order of the layer is very important when you're applying the blend modes in the layer pane. A blend mode will affect the layers below it. To contain an effect to part of the composition, group some layers and apply a blend mode to the group. You can drag to rearrange the layer hierarchy in the layers panel at any point in your creative process.